Привет! Hello! My name is Elisa and today I'm going to teach you how to count from 0 to 10 in Russian language. So let us start with 0, which in Russian is ноль. 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 L is very soft because we have мягкий знак at the end of the word. Then goes 1, один, один. Or is not stressed. This is why you'd better pronounce it as a, один. There is another variant how to say 1 in Russian language, and it is раз, раз. Z we normally pronounce as s, раз. 2, два, два, два. 3, три, три, три. 4, четыре, четыре, четыре. 5, пять, пять. T is soft because again at the end of the word we have мягкий знак, so make it soft. Пять, пять. Okay. 6, шесть, шесть, шесть. 7, семь, семь. Don't forget to make that M soft. Семь. 8, восемь, восемь. Again, M is soft here. Восемь. 9, девять, девять. Yeah, we pronounce as yeah, more as M. Sorry, more. 9, девять, девять. 9 and 10, десять, десять, десять. Don't forget to make that T very soft. The best way to learn a foreign language is, of course, to practice it. And the best way to practice Russian language is to find somebody who's interested in talking to you in Russian language. Russian Pen Pal includes dozens of profiles of Russians who are eager to find partners for language exchange. So join the community of Russian speakers today with Russian Pen Pal. And this would be it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments down below and like videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye. До встречи.